Teresa Fried with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. Here's a look at how the coronavirus is impacting Johnson County, Kansas. As of this morning on Monday, May 11th, we have 599 positive cases, 9,119 negatives. 52 of the positive cases have resulted in deaths, including one person in their 40s, 3 in their 60s, 8 in their 70s, and 40 in the 80-plus category. To get even more data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org. Now here's Local Health Officer Dr. Joseph LeMaster with more on what to expect as we enter Phase 1 of reopening the county.
The virus is still active. It is as active as it was yesterday. There are still clusters of outbreaks happening in workplaces. You've probably seen a lot of the television coverage around things like meat packing plants. There are a number of other workplace outbreaks happening around the Kansas City metro and in neighboring counties. We strongly recommend that you maintain the highest level of caution as you begin to move around. When you're going to new facilities where you haven't been going before, back to a retail or to a restaurant, we strongly urge you to take the maximum level of care as you interact with other people. The importance of all the things we've been talking about before, the CDC recommendations to wear masks when you're not able to be more than 6 feet apart from other people, frequent hand washing, not touching your face. All of these sorts of things are just as important as they ever were, and maybe now even more so because people will be moving around that weren't moving around the metro before. The evidence that we would use to decide to move forward to Phase 2 is the same that we used to decide to move out of stay-at-home. That is, we are looking over a 14-day period of time at the decrease in cases, the decrease in the number of people who present with symptoms that look like COVID to emergency rooms, to new hospitalizations, and to our capacity to be able to conduct contact tracing and other activities to make sure that if people develop COVID-like symptoms, that we can get in touch with them in a timely fashion and help them avoid spreading it to other people.
And remember to stay home when you can. For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.